We are at the 2014 Sea Otter, and we're going to talk about the new M-Series mountain wheels that we have just launched to the public, and they are now shipping. You know, we've made great mountain bike wheels for a lot of years, and we've been super excited. It's been the hardest thing to keep this under wraps for the last several months without telling anybody about these awesome new wheels that we've come out with. But basically what we have is a complete new complete redesign of our mountain wheel line. In the past we had 3 different wheels that kind of categorized, kind of pigeonholed the riders into a certain style of riding. So we had the XC, the all mountain, the DH, and you know, depending on how you defined yourself as a rider, kind of predetermined what wheels you were going to buy. We wanted to move away from that nomenclature, and so the new M-Series wheels have 4 different names, the M50, M60, M70, and M90. Associated with that naming is another number, so this is the M50-50, 60-40, 70-30, 90-10. So that ratio, or that number, is a ratio of rider preference to climbing or descending versus climbing. So in the case of the M50, you have basically somebody who loves to go uphill as much as they love to go downhill, 60-40, down to the 90-10, which is our full-on, you know, downhill, free ride, big mountain-oriented gravity wheel. And so what's new with the new M-Series compared to the old last generation mountain wheels? Basically, the new M-Series still has all the same ENVE technologies that have made the ENVE wheels known for what they do, which is high performance, laterally stiff, great impact resistance, and that is thanks to molded in spoke holes, continuous fibers running around the entirety of the rim, as well as bladder systems that are completely removed in the manufacturing process. So what you get is a really efficient structure, no paint, no filler materials. In summary, it's a really artisan product. Like, everything's handmade. There's very little automation that can happen with an ENVE rim because everything is precision cut and then laid into molds by hand. So new technologies with the new M-Series include a hookless rim wall or hookless tire retention system. So we've been seeing more and more of this trickle into the mountain bike industry as of late. But, you know, independently we started doing our research as we were looking at how we were going to improve our existing mountain wheel line, and we realized through testing and just running the numbers and engineering models that we were able to get a better tubeless design, better tubeless performance by going to this new hookless design that really plays to the benefits and pros of using carbon fiber. So you have continuous fibers running around, and you're allowed to create a structure that is much stronger and more resilient to impacts, essentially, as well as helping to prevent pinch flaps, because you're able to have a nice rounded shoulder here. The shape of the rim itself is changed quite drastically. It's gone from a real traditional V-shaped rim to a more of a U-shaped kind of channel, and it's really apparent on the new M90, which is the downhill gravity specific rim. But with all the rims, we've really optimized the actual width of the channel as well as the depth of the rim to cater to the demands of the sport or the discipline it's being used in. So the downhill specific rim is going to be stiffer in all directions than, say, the M50, which is very much oriented towards the XC and endurance marathon crowd. For more information, we invite everybody to go to the ENVE website, check out the awesome new launch video, and for any other information, feel free to give us a call or contact us. And thanks for joining us at Sea Otter.